All right. Now while I'm here, forget about all this epoxy out here. I want to concentrate. You see this little teeny, I got a knot, got a little teeny center open, and a little checkup through it. You know, and if you go, now I want to refer you back to the end check segment where we use the CA glue. You could use CA glue in this. But again, one of the issues with a CA glue or an epoxy is that it's going to, well, not so much, some of the epoxies will, but the CA glue in particular, if you put it in here, you're going to get a dark line. The CA glue is going to darken it. There's nothing wrong, and we're actually going to do a little segment on it. You know, little white glue worked in there with some sanding dust does a pretty good job. Now you notice something. I said sanding dust, not sawdust. Sawdust is too coarse. And we have a fill. Now oftentimes what you're going to find is that you're going to have to do it twice because, and the other thing is, you know, this is the Elmer's glue all, Titebond makes one and so forth. However, they make, like the Elmer's glue and whatever, they make a schoolhouse glue, and these are thinner. The glue all and the Titebond, it's a little heavier bodied, more solids, does better. Yellow glues, now I'll tell you another one does good too, is a hide glue, but it has a little amber tint to it. And I'm talking about the brown bottle hide glue. And the reason for it is you want a glue that's going to create a hard glue line. The yellow glues are pliable. And experience has shown that if you use a dye or stain over them, oftentimes that yellow glue will create a dark line. The white glues don't. Nor does the hide glue. Again, you could use a plastic resin glue. You know, the urea resin like you use in veneers. You want a glue that dries to a hard glue line. Titebond 3 will do it, but it's brown. So it's going to add a little bit of color to it. But what I want to address right now